Oh, what a beautiful day. Chilly morning. A very nice day over here. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place where you're watching me from. On today's video is another special video. We give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing great day that He has really granted unto us, and I'll also give much thanks to you for always coming back to watch my videos. It's another day, another beautiful morning over here, and we give much thanks. It's very chilly, as you see. Today it might rain. It has never it has been like, since I came here, it has been also just like drizzling, but it hasn't ever rained. So the only thing is, I think, or I hope today it can rain. The day that we were welcoming our beautiful baby girl, it really drizzled, but it never rained. But let's put that aside. Are you happy today? Are you amazing? I miss you guys. I know you miss me too. It's only that you can't show the missment. That today is another beautiful great day over here. It's an appointment day. First day taking our baby to clinic. First day doing what? Taking our beautiful angel to clinic. I give much thanks to Almighty God for the blessings. You know, kids or children are blessings to the family, and it actually depends also how you take your child. If you speak evil about the child, she or he will grow being evil. But if you speak positivity to your child, he or she grows up with positivity. So always I speak, and I have been speaking positivity towards my child, and also to the upcoming children that I'll have. I'll always be like, now this urges me to have more kids. This, like, this has opened ways. I'm like, oh, CJ, you need to make good photocopies like this again. Like, you need like all 5+ of this, and then you'll be walking around and slaying up and down. But always, every child in this world, he or she is beautiful. They are handsomely. Everybody is made under the likeness of God. So yeah, also today, also maybe you might be lucky to see even the nail of the child, or you might be lucky to see even the leg of the child, because it's early morning and I want to do some house chores over here. My sister, because yesterday she let me say, like, she overworked on herself, and she had been working with us, so she was like, today, Claude, CJ, it's my resting day. So I just let her to sleep, and I want to do what we call like prepare first breakfast for my wife, and also on the other end, warm water for the baby. So today will be likely to see how we are washing our baby, or how she'll be. So thank you so much, guys, for also for 24,000 subscribers, point 3. I really appreciate your love and support, and also for those who reached out, sharing with me, giving me hope, giving me support. May Almighty God bless you all. So let's see how everything will be. Let's go to the kitchen, and we check what's happening in here actually. So everything is just quiet. These are the utensils that we used yesterday. Some cups here. This has water. My wife woke up in the morning to have milk and sweet potatoes, or sweet patatas. So yeah, I will be washing this, but before that, hopefully the voice will reach here. Hopefully I'm hoping so that the voice will be reaching here, because what I want to do first is first of all is to take our saucepan. This one is for the porridge, and this one is for warming baby's water. So yeah, and this one for the baby's water. Mostly things usually change. Maybe let me know in the comment section, do you wash your baby with warm water, cold water, or how does it go? Because with me, I've been growing up knowing that even despite we have been growing up in the village, I've been seeing my mom always warming water for the kid, or for the child. I was told not to call the child a kid, because kid is for the goat. So warming water for the child. So like me, let me just prepare porridge here, and first of all also warming water for the child to take shower, to prepare the baby, and yeah, we see how it is. And also I'll be introducing you to my lovely wife, Mama Maria. You know now the verbs are changing. To my lovely wife, Mama Maria. Now not me, how as usual. Even me, my name is going to change to Mama Maria. So yeah, something like that. Yeah, so just like that. So right here we have water. This is for porridge. This is for baby to be washed. And in that regard, therefore, we'll be checking also what to do early in the morning. This is my routine every single day, preparing porridge. Also, you know, this time is the best way. Apart from having bone marrow soup or oxtail soup, I always prepare porridge. And not only porridge, it's called finger millet porridge, because that also gives the mom energy to breastfeed. So I always mix it with milk and no sugar for her. But with that, for us, like me and my sister, we take sugar, because she was like, no, me, I don't want to take sugar since from today. So the only sugar that she has is from the fruits. Yeah. So we remain with something small here. So before that, we have our what we call like our pineapple here, and it's good to prepare fruit for her in the morning to boost her, you know? So I always prepare fruits for her in the morning. Very organic and very sweet. So this one is for the evening time. I think I'm out of stock of the fruits. I have kiwi fruit over here. This one is sour. I think it adds something in the body. I don't know what it adds, but what I know, it's all fruits add vitamin in the body. So my sister showed me how to peel this, but I even let me go with my own formula on how to peel the kiwi fruit. So just like that way, I'm peeling it down, you know, just like breakfast on bed before we go to clinic. But also, yeah, today is just a day of all full everything. Babe, yo, babe, yo. She's not listening because the other room is crazy. You can't listen. So this is tomato fruit, and this is how you see inside. This is how you see inside. It's pure red. So a piece of mango. As this water boils, slowly by slowly, just that way, that way, that way, that way, then, yeah, so the mango will be that way, one piece. one will be better for her, but for now let's see how everything is. See you guys, my guys, I love you. Also because of that, let me just wash these utensils as fast as I can, because also she's taking shower over there. Then I'll go to do what you call like to wash baby Maria, Mama Maria. So wash these utensils as soon as they are. There are just a few dishes that we used yesterday night. And one thing I love about Maria is she's not a cry baby. The moment she breastfeeds, she's okay. She's so playful. I was supposed to say playful, yeah. She's so playful. The moment she's fed well, she's so playful. And yeah, I thank God for the gift of life, gift of the baby, bundle of joy, Maria. So yes. Yeah, now I know why moms are very precious. Can you imagine when they are single and their husbands are not helpful, and they are here, they want to wash the baby, they want to breastfeed the baby, they want to wash utensils, they haven't prepared maybe lunch, they haven't prepared like breakfast. So actually it's a lot of. Thank God this is a digital world. It's not a world of the colony. As the other day that all work should be for the ladies. Washing utensils, cooking, washing the baby, fetching firewood, fetching water. Thank God now the world is civilized and equality came. And also, not only that it's the equality, but also it depends on the mind of somebody. If you see this work you can do it. Don't depend on your wife, or the wife don't depend on the husband. Oh man, me, I cannot go to the shamba because it's made for men. No. Do it, and it will be okay. So, hey, the baby is awake without me finishing this. Hopefully the water is warm enough for now. I'll wash this again. Wait. The baby is awake. Have you ever had something like that? You want to see the feet of the baby? Yeah? You want to see the nails of the baby? See you. Changing the diaper for the baby. And yeah, let me just before I take this, because the baby was crying because of she urinated. So the only thing I want to do is to prepare the porridge, and then I rush to take the fruits for my wife because the water has already boiled. So add a little of flour, then add water. You stir. By making porridge, you stir it well. You stir well. This way. So you stir well. If you don't stir well, it will change into another thing. Add milk, stir well. No, this is despite of others add blue band, but with me I cannot add blue band because my wife is on the mission of cutting weight. That's what she told me. So I only add milk, and then just like that. This is the one that is not well. We need downwards here, so we have to do it at the corners of this one. So well, and then you add it in here, just like that. Sorry. Just like that. You make sure that everything is from down here. It's called porridge. It's the easiest way to prepare, but if you're not a pro to prepare it, it might make some ballers. You see, like this one, it's almost ready. So let me add this. It's very nutritious, this kind of porridge. Very, very nutritious. See the way it is. Yeah. So just like that. And we'll be heading back now to take fruit to my wife, and then I'll be taking shower to go to the clinic. I know you're eager want to see the baby. Today you might see the feet and the hands. Then face reveal will come later, okay? Yeah, so prepare yourselves, prepare in a few minutes you're going to see the baby. Okay? Time to take this to the baby, and then we see what's happening. Hi babe.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Let me show the baby.
She's here.
She's here.
Yeah.
You're breastfeeding?
No.
Uh,
She just wants to sleep, but
Okay.
she wants to shower,
okay.
and we need to go somewhere.
Okay, here is your
Thank you.
fruits, early morning fruits.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
thank
yeah,
you.
so baby, yes, today we'll be asking, is the baby okay? Yes, CJ, why are you hiding the
Why are you
baby?
hiding the baby?
Today you see her. Can I show them the feet?
They were saying, show them the feet.
Yes, this is the feet of our baby. Baby, hey, feet of our baby.
Yeah.
And you see my nails? You see this black mark over here?
Mm.
Huh? Let me show you the finger.
The finger.
Yeah, the fingers. Show them the fingers. So you see the finger of the baby, and you see the finger of CJ. So this is the feet of our baby. No, the finger. The finger. I thank God that the finger belongs to CJ. Look at the finger.
I do thank God. What is wrong with the fingers looking like mine?
Oh, but the face is. We show you the face, guys. If the face looks like Min Howie, or looks like Mama Maria, or the face looks like Baba Maria. But with me already, I've seen the finger has the black mark. No, the finger, not the finger. The finger looks like mine. So you enjoy, and now it's time to wash. So people have been asking, see, they show us even the nail, show us even the leg. So I've shown you. So soon you'll be seeing baby, full baby. But for now, let me go bring water. I want to wash her. And as I left Mama Maria to just enjoy her fruits, and also the what you call like the porridge. So I have to reduce fire. I have to reduce fire a little bit, so that when this boils, it cannot go down. So boil our sweet porridge. So already we have water here, and also our bath station. You know, the good thing of this bath station is it's mobile, it's movable, so you can just take it that way, the way you see it. Our bath station to the bedroom, just like that, and then just like that. So I'll definitely take this. It will be of help for me to carry water from this side and to wash the baby. Baby, are you ready for the water? She doesn't know even she's going to take shower. Let's see. No, it's not a lot. Clap for the baby. Okay. Mama Maria, Maria, baby, good baby, baby Maria. She wants to take shower, baby Maria. Take bath at the bus station. Maria, Maria, Maria Rose. Joseph wanna take shower now. Mama, today wanna go out. Maria, Maria, Maria. Mama Maria, take shower. Alright guys, let me just wash her, then just sing a lullaby. That's a lullaby that I've just created on my own. She's sleeping? Yeah, okay, let me wash her. We finished. It's finished. So it's time to take the bath station back to its station. The good thing is it's movable. You know? So we are taking it back to this side. Maybe here. And I take off this. Yeah, so just like that, it's done. Our porridge is almost boiling. I don't know if I made it too heavy. Not quite sure. So yeah, so I'm done preparing porridge over here. So we already have porridge. So I think Mama Maria will come and have porridge with me. I'm even sweating crazily, profusely. So I have to go freshen up, change the clothes, then we'll be heading to where we are heading actually. So yeah, that's how everything is. It's the morning routine of every single day of CJ over here. Now the work have really changed. You know, the routine have changed. Is to wake up in the morning, make sure my wife have fruits, best fruits, like kiwi, tomato tree, also maybe if not fruit or a blended juice, maybe watermelon juice mixed with beetroot, mixed with kiwi, mixed with mango, something like that, milk. And also I wake up in the morning, prepare porridge as she's eating the salad of fruits. I prepare porridge or maybe bone soup, or I do what we call I prepare what we call I fry some liver for her to add calcium in the body, or I just go by the oxy. Like today, from here I'll be passing by to a butcher where I've also making an order for the liver once in a while, so that maybe twice or thrice in a week. In the morning she can have the liver with porridge, or we can have the liver with what we call ugali. So I'm actually watching on her diet to take care of her. So you know, taking care of the wife so that she can take care of the child. So that's how it goes. I'm also taking care of both of them. Like now for her, she's having a septic not a septic wound, but a wound, a C-section wound. So I'm avoiding for it to become a septic wound, so I'm always cleaning it and clean. So today we are going to the hospital, and some days also I'll be showing you how to clean a C-section. You know, if you are at home, you can clean it on your own without maybe going to the doctor every single day until it heals. So that video is coming very soon. So on the other end, yeah, that's it. So let me go freshen up and see you on the other end. Right.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. Ish, I know you haven't seen me in a while. Let me show you how I look. You guys, let me put this down right here. I show you how I look. This is my new look. I've tried to lose some baby fat. I don't know, the is good, the stomach is going back in. So yeah, how are you doing? We're going back to the clinic today. My name is Minhawi. For those who do not know, we're going back to the clinic today. We're told to take the baby today to the clinic, and also me also have to go and see the doctor to check how my wound is doing, and also to check how I'm also doing since I was anemic. So yeah, so that's where we're headed. And we're trying to get an Uber, and it's not even Uber King. There's no Uber because I don't know why people are canceling. They fear. Yeah. So
They fear, you know, in Bambur, they fear Ubering in Bambur.
they fear Ubering in Bamburi. Okay.
I'm literally looking for something here.
You're looking for a book.
Booklet, but I don't know where it is. Where's the other small? Mr. Lovelover has arrived.
Okay, I think we should go. So guys, this is me and my bag. So let's head on to the hospital, guys. Yeah, so Muslims are praying. It's prayer time. it's Ramadan. This is what we go through for like a while now, for a month. So after a month it will be over. It won't be as a lot as it is right now. So let's go. And we have babies playing here, of course. So let's go.
Yes, we are at the hospital right now, and yeah, we carried baby Maria. We brought her for the first clinic to see the doctor, and actually, of course, to see what's happening at the end. So for now, she's asleep. She's on her crib over here, and yeah, so it's free space for her, and yeah, it's good also to accompany your wife to the doctor. Only that only if you show the baby, only that if it's good to take her to clinic some days if you are free. It's very nice and great. So with me, I just the first now clinic with the baby. The other time I used to take her to the clinic, but she was pregnant. But now she brought the baby, and the baby is over here now. So I've been carrying. So this thing deserves for you to. You are showing the baby.
No, I'm showing you.
This thing deserves for you to have what you call like energy, muscles, for you to carry this with the baby. So mostly I usually carry the baby, but for this, as the time we are going up and down, we carry it like a bucket.
Yeah.
So yeah, she sleeps peacefully, but I know she sleeps more peaceful when she's at the arms. But for now, let's see. Do you have something to say?
Not at the moment.
Why?
Maybe
Show
later.
them how you are.
Yeah, we're good, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Aye.
Not at the moment, maybe later, but yeah, let's wait and see the doctor. Then we'll see what she says when I'm here. Hi guys, we are from seeing the doctor, and I feel like we are good. There is daddy. Let me show you. This is baby.
This is baby. Show the hair. This is the baby. And this is the dad.
Yeah, so we are from seeing the doctor, and we've been told that we are good right now. Yeah, we are like, my wound is healing properly. There's not so much going on. My weight is also going down properly like expected. So there's not so much going on with me, sorry. And my next clinic will be later. She'll communicate the date, but in the meantime, I think I'm faring on well.
Yeah, we are good, but not good to the
Yeah, that's what the only thing you have to talk about.
Yeah, we are good, but not good to the
Yeah, until that time when everything will work, she'll give him a go ahead. Okay, yeah, so we are heading home. Let's go home, and then we'll catch up later, guys. We have guests at home, guys. We have
They ambushed me.
they ambushed his friends. So we told them to go home because we are in the hospital. So we are rushing there so that we can be there on time. Okay, so see you at home, and they are cooking something. So we are going to find them cooking.
I have crazy friends.
Yeah, I know. So guys, let's go home and see you in a bit.
We are back home, and yeah, this is how you see. And let's try to see. Juma, usatuongea. Nashukuru. Guys, I just arrived in the house from the hospital, and I had to change the clothes because literally I was in the hospital, and you know sometimes you might be carrying maybe germs to the house, so I had to go take shower and change. And the most funniest thing is I found these guys these two guys from the village. You know, we are starting with Charlie B.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm Charlie B.
Yes.
I'm here. Yeah.
You are here.
Yeah.
Okay. And also I found this guy all the way from the village.
Yeah,
you know,
Lige mwenyewe.
These guys can't stop laughing, you know.
Yeah, I love laughing because
where did you leave Juma?
Juma is
True boy.
coming. He's coming.
He's
He's
coming.
coming this week.
Yeah.
He must be here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys,
he was waiting some things of him, but
okay, to
he's
sort out
there.
some
Yeah.
issues.
Yeah.
Guys, the most surprising thing they called me, we are at the house, and I want to show you the biggest surprise that they did actually over here. They were like, we are coming to see the baby, we are coming to see the baby. But before I introduce them, let me show you what's cooking. These guys came with the whole chicken. They came with, is it a roaster or a chicken? A roaster, right? They came with the roaster, the whole roaster.
It's a chicken.
It's a chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, they came with the whole chicken. I think Nijogo or chicken. They came with the whole chicken, a big chicken, and they came here. They slaughtered. I told them I'm at the house. They said, "Man, even if you are there, we are at the house. Look the big sufuria. Let me show you what's boiling in here. Look. So that's the chicken, the big one. Kienyeji. So these guys, man, that's what you see. Friendship is. So they came. They were like, today's actually on a weekend, and we want to just come and slaughter. We have to drink soup, and traditionally wanasema kulea. Kulea ni kufanya nini kwa Kiingereza? To come and carry the baby. So introduce yourself, but before we layer.
Okay, before that, Charlie B.
Yes.
Yeah, Charlie B. I'm here in Mombasa. Yeah, I'm not a visitor. That boy is
He's
the
also
one.
a resident.
Yeah.
He's not a
I'm a
visitor.
resident, bro. Me and you is a resident. Stop that, bro.
He's more resident than even you.
Yeah,
Bro, I'm
no,
here 4 years.
I'm talking about in this house.
Eh.
In this
No,
house.
He has been in this house.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
You came here with True Boy.
He has been with True Boy over here.
Let
You
me
know,
introduce.
of all of us over here,
Yeah.
I was the first person to land in Mombasa. Then when we finished school,
Yeah.
this guy when we finished school even left the bag at school and rushed to Mombasa. Anyway,
Yeah.
we are here with Charlie
Yeah,
B.
I'm Charlie B.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm here. We just, my friend here just told me that we are going to slaughter something.
To CJ.
To
The
to
baby.
CJ place
Oh,
to
baby
see the
Maria.
baby. Yeah, yeah, to
Okay.
see the baby. Then me, I think it's a goat.
Yeah.
But
Oh.
yeah, I think
But
it's a
maybe
goat.
soon
right?
we will do a very big
Yeah,
celebration.
yeah, very soon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
very
so we are
soon.
waiting maybe for True Boy to come.
These are just a warm up.
As a warm up.
Yeah, these are warm
It's
up
a
to
warm up.
prepare the esophagus for big thing. Yeah.
Prepare the esophagus.
So you cannot eat that surface coming without preparing yourself.
It's we can call it a dessert.
A dessert.
Yeah, just a dessert.
Just a dessert.
Yeah, we're just preparing for
For the big
for the
one.
big thing. Yeah. Yeah. Now here we are.
Yeah.
Just to want to hold the baby. Yeah.
Hold the baby.
Yeah. This is the.
Have you sanitized?
Yeah, no.
Oh, you
No,
sanitize?
Yeah, I will sanitize. Yeah.
Just joking, guys. And also we are with Lige
Yeah.
Edward.
My
This
name
guy,
is Lige Edward,
yeah.
guys. Yeah, I have a channel there, but I've been there silent.
But this guy has really created magic in the village, and actually that's what we want. Actually, he has made the parents proud, and also most of the villagers. They're really appreciating. So he's here, you know.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just having some current in my heart because in the village, I was there. Let me tell you guys the funny about the village,
Yeah.
bro.
Eh?
Every house food. Every house you must eat.
You must-
So I said, no, let me run and go relax, man. You know, nowadays I decide I can cook or not. But in the village, if you don't eat, it is a case. If
Yeah,
you-
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So I came here to just relax, but I seen it's better come and visit my friend Claude Joseph here. Yeah, the
Thank
way
you
he
so
has
much.
said the surprise.
yeah.
Yeah, you know, he told me, bro, I told you I'm coming. You told me, are you going to slaughter for me the chicken? I said, let me ask Charles if he gonna accept.
Yes.
Then me, I thought you are coming there. But
No.
just told me that let's go there, man. I don't have even the fury of cooking.
Big thing.
Yeah, but all that we need is peace and love, and I'm appreciating for your coming.
Yeah.
Today, guys, we're going to throw up a party. The other day, you saw the other video. I was doing it on my own with my wife, but my friend was like, "Man, we are here." He was in the village.
Yeah.
He's always busy with his work.
Yeah.
So today they were like, "Let's come together and actually have a small soup, maybe with rice,
They
so that."
just said to clear the esophagus.
Clear the esophagus. Is it the esophagus that takes food or the throat? So let us know in the comment section.
The esophagus, he's right.
He's right.
Yeah, he's right.
He's
The
right.
trachea is for the hair, bro. You can be choked and die.
I say the throat. so he knows very well in biology, right?
Yeah.
And science.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So guys, let's wait, and we'll also welcome Minnie Howie to come and say hi to them, because for now she's breastfeeding the baby, and yeah, we keep on shining. You know, the moment I see friends this way, I feel so much happy. So let's cook. All right. That's Mama Maria.
Hi.
Haezi kuwa mwingine. Kwa hiyo unazaa triple.
Niko na triplets. Yeah, I came to say hi to our friends who
Yes.
come. Yeah.
Sasa
So,
unakunywa gani? Hii ama Coca-Cola?
Yoyote.
Yoyote. Okay. Which are you taking, babe?
no soda.
Okay, no soda.
Yeah.
So let me give my friends some soda as we throw up the party. I wish I could have even a wine here,
I know.
but just wait some
Eh,
days.
do you take wine?
Yeah.
You don't.
I cannot take wine.
Why don't you take wine? It's grapes, but you eat grapes.
I eat when they are fresh.
Yeah.
Don't eat fermented grapes.
Oh,
okay.
eh.
Good boy.
I'll take water.
You take water.
Mm-hmm.
Me, I take both. I take both soft drink and hard drinks.
Yeah.
No offense.
Oh,
So-
no, it's normal. It's
So which
okay.
one did you say? This one.
No, that one.
This one. That is you have this.
And where is your wife?
The other pasua.
Uh-huh. Oh, she's coming.
She's coming.
Oh, nice.
Oh, very great. Only the boy who is bachelor is here, but he said he's going to marry.
Oh, you're married?
Yeah.
Eh, we can't wait to dance.
Yeah, you come and dance.
And
And if not crowd dance very fun.
Yeah. We're waiting to dance. It's soon marrying. So all friends are going to be married friends.
Yeah. You know, mostly if you marry, it's not a rush thing, but mostly there's some things that you change.
Yeah.
If you used to go party a lot, now
You reduce.
You become more
Adapt.
responsible.
You know what I love about our bodies?
Yes.
We adapt very fast.
Very fast, yeah. Babe, did you see what they brought? They came and they slaughtered the chicken by
Ooh la
themselves.
la.
So it's boiling well.
Eh,
Mm.
my
So
people.
you drink soup. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. Now the rice is ready. This is how you see the rice. Yeah, big surprise. So our rice is ready. So we decided to cook white rice. My sister loves carrots, so she decided to cut some small carrots inside. And also over here, she's literally doing what we call roasting the chicken. So over here she's what are you doing here? You're burning.
I like them frying.
You're frying one. You could fry even one by Saudi. So like this, fry some, and also this one over here. So this is chicken, and this one is with oil. This one with tomato and everything. You want tomato? So introduce yourself, tomato. From this side, and you should open this. Yeah, introduce yourself, tomato.
Yeah, morning guys, afternoon, evening,
Yes.
whatever place are coming from.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, share, leave a nice comment.
Yes.
Continue supporting him. As you support him, he also supports my family, also supports me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here today we have a surprise
small
from
celebration.
Charlie B and
Leeds Edward.
legend one.
Yes.
Yeah, they have come to surprise us. So they have come to
Leah.
lay the baby.
Yeah, they've come to
carry the baby.
To carry the baby. And they decided to say,
They decided that today they are coming to see the baby.
yeah.
Yeah. So I really appreciate.
And you know they slaughtered this chicken by themselves over here when you were at the hospital. So
Yeah.
My sister just trying to boil it, and we see how
I'm
everything
just
is.
trying to help them
Yeah.
to fry everything.
Yeah. Thank you, sister. You're always so supportive to me. God, I don't know how I just pay you, but God bless you.
Then
All right. So that they cannot go bad, okay? Yeah. That's my sister. And yeah, let's wait and we do some celebration, okay? Yeah, so guys, food is ready. As you see, we have our chicken kitchen and also rice. So it's time
and
for,
the fried ones. Yeah.
oh wow, the fried one. So it's time for serving, and it's time for big celebration over here. It starts now.
Now
The
it's
chicken.
the time now to give the
The
stomach
Yeah.
its rights.
It's rice.
The stomach also have its rights.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. So it's evening time right here, as you see, and oh, that roaster very nice. It's have like living in the village still. It gives you the sense of living in the village. Maria, welcome to the world, friends. Yeah. So it's time to serve. I think this could be self-service, so that everybody can do. But this one you carry there, but it's okay. Just do it. I don't want to disturb you. So guys, that's it. We are having some rice here with the friends, and you know Pepper 2 is there, Charles. Pepper 2 is there.
There you go.
Hey, you come, you pick what you want. So according to the chicken kitchen, you come, you take the chicken kitchen, what you want. But for the rice, they have put it here. Yeah, so let everybody come pick the rice, and they pakua what they want. They love to eat there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Take put for Minhao. Yes, there's somebody here who fears very much.
Where is mine?
So you take rice.
You fear buffet.
You fear buffet.
Yeah, because
I take
Take
the
the
mini
rice,
one, the mini one.
This one is menu.
Yeah.
And
There's
then you,
addition, there's pepper.
there's pepper too.
don't you hear Anjoto, bro?
I don't hear that.
It is
So hot.
so hot.
So it's hot because we are having hot dish.
Just some.
It's in the kitchen.
Let me serve myself here.
Self-service, you know here. It's actually one of the best thing actually.
But I think there is here some mzee.
Giza, damn mzee. Don't take the giza. I'm the mzee of the bomb. I want to eat the giza.
It's
What
good to
about
us.
the back? The
That's
back.
good.
Did
That's
they
good
give
to
you the
us.
back?
No. The
But
back
you
is
have
the
to
one
be
now.
given.
I'm
No.
the one now deciding.
No, the
Yeah.
back is for a man.
No,
A man must
no.
eat a back.
No, the
Let our
man.
sister decide.
The man.
I'm the one deciding. Who is
Yeah.
the eldest?
I'm the eldest.
No. How old are
2023.
No,
you?
no.
You?
I'm 27.
Ah.
He's the eldest.
So me, I'm the eldest.
No. Since
But just some.
since okay, just decide before I put this.
If you put it there, you will have a fight.
Okay, okay, no,
I will
okay,
divide.
no. Just let us leave it.
Yeah.
Eh.
You take the bam bam.
Let me take
Take
this
the-
one.
yeah,
Let
take
me
the
Even
bam.
a hen has bambam.
Yes, the head have bam
Let me
bam.
take this.
It's called the drumstick.
Let me
Bam
take
bam.
this.
Yeah, the bam bam. They're
You
called
know,
the.
bambam is another name, bro.
Hello, bam bam. What? You see?
You must wash your hands.
Yeah, we will wash the hands as we
Yeah.
are going slowly by slowly. It's self-service. We
Faster,
take.
bro, I'm hungry.
No.
What are you doing there?
Let me chambua first. I want to chambua.
Guys, I'm having some crazy friends over here. Yeah.
Just
That's
no.
Charlie B
Yeah.
and
Elijah.
Edward.
Yeah.
Eh, nowadays
People tell me that I'm nowadays slim.
Yeah, nowadays you are asleep. Even
I'm
nowadays.
done. I'm done.
Yeah, you are done.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's actually, I think it's because of maybe nowadays you are growing up.
No,
now.
since I went to home.
Responsibilities.
Since I
You know,
went to
you know
home.
since you went home.
I have reduced, and I like that. I don't want a big body.
No, the thing is, big body is not a bad body. The only thing is, you know, responsibility because you are
course.
building,
Yeah.
and you know when the money actually you have hustled for, when it goes a little by little, also your body reduces.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it is. So the responsibility has really made you go down because the Masons wanted you to to do what you call like have money.
Guys, this is my first time serving myself.
Would you allow me to taste it? Because I'm hungry.
Just it's okay, but you have to pray. You have to pray for it first before we eat.
Just pray. Just
Pray
Okay.
first.
Oh God, bless us with the food that you granted to us, so that we're going to take it. Let us have energy to serve you, and also God provide for those who don't have it, so that they will also rejoice at this moment. Thank you, Lord, for the food. From the short prayer, thank you so much, God, and Amen.
Amen.
And that's our spirit.
In eating, bro,
Yeah.
no wrong prayer.
No,
That is not a short
so
prayer.
the short prayer. So it's me to do this.
Yeah, it's you now.
Hey, now you know gizzard is for the father. You know I'm the new father.
That's why I'm just decided to ask first before making any mistake.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
way. So it's better. So me, I'm done, guys. I'm done. Now it will be okay. With this way, it will be this way and that way, and how you see how everything will be. See you guys. Now it's time for the carrying of the baby. Yeah.